What's up, guys? Welcome into the channel. I'm Mark with Not Your Father's Capital. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below. We're going to talk ADA in this video. Smash that like button. Drop that ADA. I'm going to get you on your way because we're going to get into two analysts as they target a huge run-up for Cardano, right? $11 this bull season. Do not miss this video. Make sure you guys all stick around to the end, and let's get down into it, all right? And as always, guys, not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence. But we're looking into seeing a couple analysts, right, where we look into Ben Armstrong, right? We all know BitBoy, right? Back on his own, and Dan Garmardello, essentially one of the most outspoken Cardano advocates here on YouTube, right? Crypto Capital Ventures, a very strong source for Cardano information as well. And this is where we're seeing $11 price point for Cardano in the anticipated bull run, okay? That's where the attention's hitting, guys. $7 to $11 are two different projections, right? And also, Cardano analysis from Ollie Martinez foreseeing ADA clocking in at $7 in the next coming bull season. So, guys, obviously, these aren't what you would look at as a crystal ball. These are just analysts speaking on their minds, on their own personal feelings. So it's important to do your own research and due diligence when making any decisions crypto and financially, all right? But this is where we're seeing historical patterns amount to a lot of the forecasts behind this, guys. And when we talk about these outlooks, guys, it's 1,200. We're looking at 12x from here, over 1,200% if we would get to those levels to reach $1.30. So to get into where we were looking at back on the historical trends, you can see back in the bull cycle in 2020, when we were into that market, into 2021, the candlesticks aligned with a 4-month span with having a lot of substantial growth. Like I said, guys, over 1,200%, getting over $1.30. And I think that was one of the levels where truly I think I was late to the party. I remember I was buying Cardano around 70, 80, 90 cents back in those days, and as high as $3. Forgive me, I got a little bit of a cold right now, so if I'm sniffling, my apologies. Hopefully it's not doing too much damage to the audio, but to get into these outlooks within Cardano, we're going to talk about some of these levels, the $7 and $11, and that's kind of on pace and aligned with how I feel, right? I've always had a 2030 mentality back when I bought Cardano back in 2020, and we talk about that because you really have to have your goals established. To be successful in crypto trading, you got to know, are you swing trading? Are you holding for the long run? Or are you just kind of speculating, right? Never obviously invest more than you have to lose. Crypto is a incredible volatile. I call it a sport, right? It's more so gambling in a sense, unless you really truly get into some blue chip blockchains. And Cardano for me is probably my largest holding, so that would fall into that category, right? We talk about Cardano. For me, it's always been that $10, $11, $12, $13 range. Getting into those double digits, because that was when I first invested in Cardano. That was my price target, right? That was my 10x from there, okay? And that's kind of how I look at things within crypto. Everybody wants the next 100x gem. Well, for me, it's always more so, hey, if I can 10x 10 times, that's how we're going to get there. Hey, if I can 3x 3-4 times, that's how we're going to get to that 10x, and just keep repeating that cycle. Rinse, wash, and repeat, okay? That's why I use a lot of prominent crypto trading tools, such as my trading indicator, xtalgo.com. Check out the website, link down below in the description, promo code 20% off just for signing up using promo code NYFC. Check it out, 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. It's very, very useful. I use it in all of my swing trades, reaffirming my long-term positions as well. That's something where I use in pretty much every single crypto trade, and no sales pitch, guys. It simply works, all right? And that's where we're seeing Cardano continue its trek. So to get to $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, and even higher than that, can it happen? Let me know down below in the comments. What do you guys think about that? I told you guys my predictions, right? And obviously, I wouldn't be making YouTube videos if I had that crystal ball. I'd be right down there at the gas station putting in those 6 numbers to win the lottery. And then I probably would buy some more Cardano if I would win the lottery at that point, because I truly believe in the perspective of what they're doing on chain. Firmly one of my most confident cryptos for my own personal investment strategy. Probably my biggest holding to this date. And what I like to see more so than a lot of these bullish predictions from these prominent crypto analysts, these voices here on YouTube and on other platforms socially, I like to see actually moving the needle. And that's what Cardano's doing on chain. You can see with the metrics, you can see with developer growth, all those metrics, Cardano is evolving. You can track it, number one in a lot of regards. And that's kind of what drives the needle for me and reaffirms my confidence within ADA's blockchain. So let me know down below in the comments, guys. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below. I'm curious to hear where you guys see Cardano trading in 2030. Like I said, put them down below in the comments box, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.